Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to score completed cloisters in Carcassonne. As you can see, I have two cloisters on the map. One is occupied by the black knight and one is unoccupied. And to finish a cloister, it has to be surrounded by 8 land tiles on every side of the cloister. So now it's surrounded by 7 tiles, and when I finish it like that, then the black monk scores because it's occupied by the black monk, and the score is 9 points because that's 1 point for every land tile. So the black monk scores 9 points. But if I finish an unoccupied cloister like that, then the player who has placed the tile scores the points. So if that was the green player who has put the tile here, that would be the green player who scores 9 points. So the green player is immediately moved to 45, and if an occupied cloister is being finished, then the follower returns to the owner, and only when it's finished and scored. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.